Let's discuss the concept of God in Islam. The best reply that any Muslim can give you regarding the concept of God in Islam is quote to you Surah Ikhlaas. That is chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4, which says, Qul Huwallaahu Ahad. Say He's Allah one and only. Allahus Samad. Allah, the absolute and eternal. Lam Yalid, Walam, Yulad. He begets not, nor is begotten. Walam, Yakullahu, Kufuan. There's nothing like Him. This is a four-line definition of Almighty God. Any person says so-and-so candidate is God. If he passes these four tests, we Muslims have got no objection in accepting as God. The first is, say He's one and only. The second is, He should be absolute and eternal. The third, He begets not, nor is He begotten. And fourth, there's nothing like unto Him anything in this world. This is a four-line definition of Almighty God, which we call as the litmus test for theology. It is the touchstone of theology. And further, the Quran says in Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 108, that revile not, abuse not those gods who they worship besides Allah, lest in their ignorance they will revile, they will abuse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Quran prohibits any Muslim from speaking bad, from reviling, from abusing those who other people worship as God besides Allah, lest in their ignorance they will abuse Allah. So to understand the concept of God in Islam, you have to read the Quran.